A piece of ice falls from the height h so that it melts completely. Only 1/4 of the heat produced is absorbed by the ice, and all energy of the ice gets converted into heat during its fall. The value of h is, what is the height we need to find here? Okay. Given latent heat of ice is 3.4 into 10 power of 5 joules per kg, and acceleration due to gravity, that is g, is equal to 10 newton per kg. Okay. Then here given m, g and h is equal to m into L, and h is equal to 4L divided by g, which is equal to 4 into 3.4 into 10 to the power of 5 whole divided by 10, which is equal to 136 kilometer. 136 kilometer is the right answer.